How to replace BMW 5 Series E60, E61, 2004 to 2011, iDrive controller button. We will replace this old controller with an used one but in a good condition. You cannot find an aftermarket iDrive controller, so you just have to look for a used one from a dismantled car park. Pull the iDrive controller up using just your fingers. Here is the new iDrive controller, which is a little bit different than the other one, but it looks nice. Install the new iDrive controller, placing it on the white plastic, and then press it until you hear the click. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.